How to deal with depression. Feeling sad or down is a natural part of life. Daily life challenges that affect us deeply, things that go wrong, we lose people we love or people let us down. We keep focusing on what is missing for weeks and months, and we enter in a loop of negative emotion and depression that eventually affect us on so many levels. Every day we lose friends and family members because of depression. So many people don't know that they are depressed. They are just sinking in their depression slowly and deeply. How to deal with depression? Here are some steps to follow. 1. Look for the signs of depression. There are many common symptoms associated with depression. If you're not going out anymore and you're withdrawing from close family and friends, if you're feeling of worthlessness, self-blame, a lack of self-esteem and sadness, if you're tired all the time, you have body pains and other aches that don't go away with medication or treatment, you have sleep problems, you have loss or change of appetite, or maybe you have vitamin or mineral deficiencies, especially lower levels of vitamins B. Thyroid problems also, hormonal imbalances, including premenstrual. Some diseases may precede, cause or be a consequence of depression like cancer, diabetes and Parkinson's. Part 2. Making lifestyle changes. Sleep well. Sleep is essential to a healthy, balanced body. Exercise. Playing sport is a great way to stay healthy, stay occupied, focus on self-improvement and meet new people. Look for friends or group exercise sessions, since having a partner will keep you more motivated. You can also look for activities that will allow you to release some of the pent-up emotions that may be built up, such as kickboxing. Eat healthy. Reduce your intake of sugar. High fructose corn syrup, fast foods and processed food. Eat more fruits, vegetables and whole foods. Drink plenty of water and do some research on food that are said to improve your state of mind and well-being. Restore any neglected grooming. Get a new haircut or new clothes as a part of cheering yourself up, and concentrate on the parts that you do love about yourself instead of fretting over what you don't like. Be around positive people. Remember that misery loves company. It can be incredibly hard to keep away from negative people, as down and out as you're feeling. But do your best to avoid them. Get some support from people who love and care about you. It is an important part of the healing process. Part 3. Changing your behavior. Get busy. To prevent negative thoughts from going around your head repeatedly, engage in a hobby you enjoy or think you'll enjoy. Immerse yourself in it. It doesn't have to be expensive or difficult. As long as it is interesting, it will serve the purpose. Do fun things and treat yourself. The antidote is to do things that you used to enjoy or that are fun for people around you. Take it slowly. If you used to enjoy gardening, plant a single plant. If you used to enjoy a long walk, take a short one. Gradually build up to more enjoyable experiences. Start a journal of your journey through your depression. Document your feelings somewhere personal and completely private. A diary can become your collaborator in the struggle against your depression, because it eventually provides you with great evidence of what improves your mood as well as what brings it down. Try to write in it daily if possible. Help others. Helping other people going through hardship removes your concentration from yourself and onto others, which can be good if you're prone to too much introspection. Part 4. Changing your negative thinking patterns. Be gentle with yourself. Life isn't a race or a competition. The reality is that you matter, you have a great value as a person, and making things harder for yourself is akin to beating yourself up. Accept that the journey to wellness is a matter of baby steps. Change your thinking. Make decisions, however small, and act on them. Again, while this is very difficult to do during depression, it is a vital element in facing the sense of helplessness that tends to overwhelm depressed people. Some decisions, like getting out of bed, calling friends, or cleaning up the kitchen, all add up. Once you act on them, they become achievements. Change the way you talk. Alter the language you use to help yourself. Look at things more positively. Instead of blaming or complaining, start asking questions and find solutions.